You have got power over here. So right now, the bigger question we understand is that, like, how is it going to change the platform of Tamil Nadu for you?
See, it's a big victory, big achievement for our cadre. Our cadre was struggling in Tamil Nadu for last 59 years without even the ray of hope of power, because they were always said that in Tamil Nadu there is no place for the coalition government. But we had our coalition government till 1967 when Congress was ruling the state. But last 59 years there was a thought that the people of Tamil Nadu do not vote for a coalition government. But this time people of Tamil Nadu proved it wrong. TVK announced the power sharing government, coalition government to the people of Tamil Nadu, and people of Tamil Nadu has voted for them, and so we respected the mandate of the people of Tamil Nadu.
IUML and VCK says that if AIDMK comes closer to TVK, they will reconsider their support. What is the stand of Congress now?
We are very closely watching the developments in AIDMK. Right now there are two AIDMKs. We do not know which AIDMK belongs to NDA and which belongs to some other group. Let's wait and watch. We are just watching them because both are them fighting with each other. Now it's a legal battle. There is also a disqualification petition. So it's a legal game now.
DMK is still upset with you, sir, and they still claim that, like, you should have come and met them and such. What does Congress have as a response for them?
See, our leaders had already spoken to them from Delhi regarding respecting the mandate of the people. So people of Tamil Nadu have given one direction to us. We followed that direction. We did not betray anybody. If DMK was short of forming the government of 5 MLAs that we possess, then definitely we could have called as betrayal. Respecting the people's mandate is not a betrayal.
What is the future for India Alliance now, sir?
Yes, India Alliance is intact. In Kerala also we fought with the local left, but nationally they are our allies. In West Bengal we fought with TMC, but they are our national allies. I believe in Tamil Nadu also the same allies continues.
Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.